Good morning. We're out here going into the shop. Hey. Well, good morning, Ori. How you doing today, buddy? Callie. Well, good morning. Hope everyone is doing great today. It is 8:40 this morning, and boy, it's a chilly one in here in the shop. It's not cold, but it's very chilly. Let me get you up there where you can sit. 39 degrees. A little chilly. Probably get a fire started, and probably need to get my mic set up so you can hear me better. Oh, there we go. Got a mic going. Hopefully that make it a little nicer. Yeah, got to get a fire going. Man, it is. I just took a shower, so I know everyone's appreciate that. Don't have to smell me, but but it is flat down chilly out here. I know some of you up north probably think 40 degrees, that ain't nothing. Well, it is something for me. It is cold. I need to get a gas heater out here of some sort. I could have had a smart thermostat. I could have lit this shop up half hour before I come out here, so it'd be toasty warm. What do you think about that, Ori? That might freak you out hearing that pop on just with nobody out here. Yeah, I know. I didn't have a fire yesterday, so I'm starting with a cold stove. Ori, stay away from that. Buddy, quit. You're going to catch your tail on fire one day. What do you need, buddy? You want pets? Oh, yeah. Does that feel good on your back? Watch that tail. You'll be a hairless tailed cat. Yeah, you would. Yeah, you would. Oh, that feels good, don't it, buddy? Watch that tail. Come on up here. Oh. That's getting better. Buddy, quit. You're gonna quit. Come here. Come on. Come on. You want to come up here? Oh, I know you do. I know you do. There's Callie. What are you doing, girl? Huh? What you doing? Ori. Oh, I know. You good girl, aren't you? You good girl. Well, hello. Okay. Whoa. Man, I need to sweep up around this stove. It's kind of nasty. Well, that'll get going here in a minute. Hey, we gotta wipe the door off a little. Alright. Well, that's driving me nuts now, guys. Where's the broom? Today, my plans is to continue on my daughter and granddaughter's bathroom down at their home. Hopefully we can get some of those repairs that I was talking about completed. We have to cut some flooring out, or subflooring out, to replace, and when we got that pulled up, we'll look at the floor joists and evaluate that, whether we got to do any replacements there. Again, it is, oh gosh, time flew by. It is 5 to 8? No, it ain't 5 to 8. It's got to be 5 to 9. Yeah, it's 5 to 9. So, like the other day, my daughter's going to get a knock on the door at 9 o'clock. I got to be careful sometimes. Sometimes when it's chilly like this, I'll set my coffee cup up there to let it kind of warm up. Can't leave it up there for very long, but this is a plastic cup, so that would not work out too well for me. My other cups are a ceramic cup, so they sit up there just fine. They get hot on the outside, though, if you leave it up there too long. I have actually left them up there way too long, and you got to get some kind of a rag or a glove to pick it up off there. So if I stuck that up there for that long, it would be probably a cup about that big. Lady of leisure in her chair. Are you ready to go see Louie? Say hi to Ori, huh? Did you say hi to Ori? Come on, buddy. So there's our vinyl. Unfortunately, it's been laying out here in the cold on the floor, so that needs to warm up before it goes down. Anyhow, we're going to take a walk back there and wake people up. All right, guys, here we are. This has dried up pretty nice, actually, but we're still going to cut some of this out. How much of it, I don't know. I think I'm going to cut me an inspection hole. I can see one joist going there and one joist going there. So I think I'm going to cut me a hole right here to take a peek on how things are. Okay. That's what we know. Okay. Trip 1 to the shop. Well, that ain't coming up too easy. put in here. I'm hoping I can get leverage to help me. Well, holy moly. There we go. That don't look bad. A little surface moisture, but it's not rotted or anything. Look at that. Okay, one piece out. Alright, guys. Move you a little. I gotta get this over here. Alright. Alright, guys. Floor is cut out. This is not rot, it's just some staining. I'll put some bleach on that just in case. Alright, guys. That has been removed and a new piece of plywood put in. Gonna have to spray some foam right in here under that, but other than that, it's done all the way through. I just got to drop the linoleum, clean the walls up, and then fight that tub in here. Oh my gosh, I don't know how that's going to work, but we'll see. So I'm done for the week. I've got to go out of town tomorrow and I'm tired. I ain't doing no more tonight. But down on my knees for 5 hours or whatever I was, ripping old flooring out. Repairing, cutting that jigsaw puzzle piece of plywood. I thought I was going to have to put it in 2 pieces, but I got it in one. But anyhow, I'm going to end this video. Well, maybe not. I might go up to the shop and talk with you. See you in a little bit. Well, guys, it is 3:30. I stopped working down there at my daughter's place about 3 o'clock. So I started at 9 and worked till 3, so that's about 6 hours. I don't feel like I accomplished as much as I did the other day. Of course, what I did the other day was easy, taking stuff out, but today I filmed some of it. I just didn't want my GoPro in there in that dusty environment, but I took some short videos. Um, I cut the floor out, all the damaged floor. Um, the floor trusses were 2x6s and they're fine. They were a little stained, but I had to belt sand them because they glued the flooring down, so I had to belt sand them and they cleaned up pretty good. There was no mold in there. Um, I was planning on taking that vent tube out, but the way it was connected, I wasn't able to, so I had to repair that and put more insulation in there. And man, that insulation tore me up. I don't know if you guys can see that. I've never been bothered by insulation before, but it got that arm pretty good. It's all red right there. Not itchy yet, but I'm sure it will. Um, got the floor in. There was a little bit of an edge in some places of the new floor. Took my belt sander down there and started cleaning that up, and then I ripped my belt and I didn't have any more belts, so I got to get a new belt. But yeah, this might be a lot shorter video, but it is part two. Um, so now it's just a matter of building back. All the damage has been removed, um, except one little section on the left wall. I still got to deal with that, but it's not damage. I just want to remove the wallboard, make sure there's no damage. And I'll go in there with some Right Stuff foam, fill in any gaps that are going down under the trailer. Um, and drop the linoleum. So my next step is to put the linoleum in. I was hoping to get the linoleum in today, but that didn't happen. I've got to go out of town on business starting tomorrow, and I probably won't be returned until Thursday night, Friday morning. So we'll hit this again Friday. I'd like to get the vinyl in on Friday at least, if nothing else. And then we tackle that tub. Um, I don't really know how that's going to go. I just don't see how the way I've got to enter it, then I've got to turn the tub and then lay the tub, and the tub is exactly the width of the walls. So I'm going to try it. The guy that I got the tub from said he can do it, but I don't know. He don't know my scenario, but anyhow, if not a real big deal. I'll have to remove the panel on the back wall facing the closet, remove the wall board, cut the 2x4s, and I can bring the tub into the closet the way it needs to be. Feed it through the wall, set it down in place, kind of push it up a little ways towards the walk-in door of the bathroom, and redo that wall back up. And once that wall's back in place, I can push the tub back up against that wall, secure it, plumb it, get it done. And then I'm going to concentrate on the bathroom side first, not the closet, bathroom side first, because that bathroom is not usable, and I don't like that. So get the tub in place, get the toilet in place, get those two things functional, and the shower surround. Get that functional so they can at least use it while I'm tinkering. But I kind of suspect if all goes well and I don't get too wore out, I might be able to finish that project next weekend. There's really not much in there. I got 4 walls to put paneling on in the closet. Once the tub and the toilet is in, it's really a matter of we're going to get a new cabinet, so I'll have to install that new cabinet, hook up all the plumbing, and then get some wire shelving. We have not got the cabinet or the wire shelving yet. Um, Probably going to have to get some more 2x4s. I think I'm out. I got a couple more yet up in the rafters. Um, so I just hope that insulation, oof, that looks rough. Don't feel rough. It looks worse than it is. I'm going to try to quit playing with it. But anyhow, guys, I'm going to sit here and enjoy my fire and relax. And we'll see you on the next one. I doubt it, but unless you just want to listen to me rant, I've got a 9-hour drive tomorrow up to Northeast Ohio. And then I'm going to spend 24 hours up there. And then I got a 9.5 hour. Well, Google says 9.5 hours. So, that's 10.5 hour drive. Time you stop, go to the bathroom, eat, get gas. So, but anyhow, let me know if you want to just listen to me rant. If so, I can rant. Anyhow, guys, you have a good evening. Go say hi and tell your family you love them, and we'll talk at you later.